Hi guys, welcome back to Laila. So cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make my version of mango pickle. It's not gonna be a traditional way, it's just gonna be just my way, and it is simple, easy, and we are going to use green mango. I have 2 large green mango in this bowl, and I have washed them and then cut them into little cube, just like that, like a bite-sized pieces, and set that in a bowl. And I have some dry red chili soaking in water. It's already like about an hour. You can leave it for more than an hour. It will be better when you blend it. And I'm using vegetable oil, I'm using mustard seed, some garlic, salt, and turmeric powder. Now, the Mauritian way, when we make mango pickle, we normally set the mango to dry under the sun. And so here in Canada, I'm just gonna do it my way. It's gonna be like an easy way, and it is so good, and it's gonna be ready like in just one day. You don't need to let it dry. And so get a big pot with water to boil. Add a generous amount of salt in it. So the water started to boil. I'm gonna add the mango now. I have already added the salt. It's been 3 minutes. And now get the mango out, drain all the water, and I have a tray ready to go with paper towel, and we're gonna put all of these mango on the paper towel. And now this has to dry completely before the next process. Okay guys, so we're gonna let this mango dry completely, and we're gonna leave it just like that, like on a large tray on a single layer. Try to make them on a single layer, and this has to dry completely and also cool completely before we add the spices, before we add all of the chilies, garlic, and mustard. So in the meantime, we're gonna go make the paste, and I'm using actually a little bit more than 10 dry chilies, because these are like a little bit smaller one. And you can just use as many as you want. Okay, so we're gonna add the chilies, the garlic, and the mustard. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of water, not too much, just a little bit. And then I'm going to blend this into a paste. I'm going to transfer the mango back to the bowl, and we're going to start mixing everything. And the paste that I have blend, we're going to add that. Smell spicy. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. We did add a little bit of salt before when we boiled the mango, so just adjust your salt level. And turmeric powder, and about 1 to 2 teaspoons. Oil, I'm gonna add half of a cup, and if I need more, I'm gonna add more. And now let's mix everything. Okay guys, this is looking so good, and the half cup of oil is enough. And you guys can see the oil is red in the bottom, and you guys won't believe me, this mango pickle is ready in just 1 hour. And now just get a jar ready, and then we're gonna just transfer this pickle into a jar. Now definitely this will be not enough, so I will probably get another jar. And make sure when you divide this into 2 jars, both of the jar get the same amount of spice and oil that's in the bottom of this bowl. And also what we're gonna do, whatever you're gonna keep in the fridge, just take some oil and then just go like that on top, just like that, and so the pickle can stay longer and longer. And what I want to do here is I just gonna give one piece a try. So good. You don't really need a written recipe, but I'm gonna add the written ingredient down below into the description box. And hope you enjoyed this video and you're gonna try this. Let me know in the comment section below if you did like it, and how did you make yours, and how do you make yours usually. And subscribe, it is just free, and I will see you next time. Bye.